everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to share with you lot of tricks and the twists that will be helpful for you for creating the different type of the hairstyles at your own places without visiting any expensive hair salons. All these hairstyles are so beautiful and so cool that you will definitely give them the try. You just have to note one thing, that you can't skip any particular step. You just have to follow the each step in a sequential manner because all these steps are interlinked with each other. If you will skip any one of the step, then the whole style will be ruined and you won't be able to make such hairstyles perfectly. All these hairstyles are inspired from the classical braid type of the look that we usually make. Moreover, it's the work of some bunny type of the looks and twists and the turns are given. All these hairstyles are very cool and very good. We have the different difficulty levels. Some might be quite difficult, some are very simple. If we talk about the time consumption, then some might take some of your time. Moreover, some are so simple that you will be able to create these hairstyles in few seconds. You may require the comb, some basic hair accessories like the classical rubber bands, the casual rubber bands, the band type of the pins. Moreover, fancy rubber bands are also required if you want to give them the touch of a fancy type of the hairdo. All these hairstyles are very simple and very cool. You can definitely give them the try. Let's have a look for the few one here. First, you just have to take some of the hair, make the high ponytail, give the internal twist and decorate with the pin. Thank you for watching our videos.